Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'd like to say welcome, and if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. Nonetheless, please subscribe, like and share if you end up enjoying my content. With all that aside, let's get started. I have here a Amaryllis bulb display. Now you might be wondering what's with all this wonkiness, and the reason for the wonkiness is because they like all these stems were growing inside the boxes. I thought because they would not receive light, they wouldn't grow. So I was a little bit busy and I postponed a lot the potting up or making this gorgeous glass ball set up with moss on top, dried moss on top. I mean, yeah. Now, they will straighten up as soon as they receive more light. But yeah, if you want to see how I did this, please continue watching. So, as you might see, I've done it again. I have here 3 types of, wait, let me move this somehow. Yeah, 3 types of Amaryllis bulbs. Now, I am slightly bit concerned because I bought them about roughly 2 weeks ago and I haven't opened the box because I had no time. But I'm planning to make an arrangement with these 3 and use this bowl over here, use some Spagmoss top layer. And now, as I'm thinking about it, I am a bit worried that I don't know if I have enough soil in these bags. But if I don't have, I think I have some terrapon left, so I'll maybe mix it up. So let's open the boxes and let's see the condition of these. Now I don't have any IDs. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness, I hope it's gonna straighten up. But look at the bulb, it looks healthy. I mean, slightly bit dehydrated, but it looks okay. Oh my goodness, I'm scared now. I am scared now. Okay, we have here the soil. Ooh! Oh, look at that. I haven't seen any, for example, trays with these Amaryllis. Now, the reason that I bought these this late, actually, because I don't mind them not being in bloom during Christmas, because I'm going abroad, but I want to see them in late January in bloom. And if they haven't moved past their time, blooming time, or past their prime and they're just opening up, I'm planning to give my arrangement to Mum. Oh, look at this bulb. Like, can you see how many pups are in here? And I can see 2 bloom stalks, so it's gonna be amazing. I'll set this aside. Now, depending of the size of the bloom that you have, not the bloom, the bulb, you can have much more bloom stalks. So I'm happy to see, because this size is, I wouldn't say it's huge, but for it to have 2 bloom stalks, it's quite nice. I'm quite happy about it, and I'm quite happy that I see that I will have enough soil. Oh no, oh my goodness. Now, for sure, this is gonna be all foliage if it not gives me, oh yeah, a second bloom stalk over here. Oh my goodness, what did I, oh, I hope it's not gonna be a problem. Look at that, because he was growing inside. I mean, I didn't think that will, like, without any light or stuff, they will open up. But yes, let's take the other soil bags out. Now, as I mentioned, I do not have any ID for these because I bought them, I believe it was £3 and something each from Lidl, and I'm quite impressed with the size of them. And I don't have any IDs. If you know the IDs, so we have that white one, we have this one is like a blushy reddish pink, and we have a red one. Look at that, he's gorgeous. So I am quite happy that I think I have enough soil. So let's move on to the next part. You might be wondering, Maria, but you have no drainage in this bowl, which is fine. I can watch the water, actually. Let me just drop the angle. I can watch the water to not overwater it. And yes, I will be leaving for 2 weeks, but my mum will come every 2 to 3 days to check on my plants. So I'm quite happy. Now, I'm actually thinking that the soil, the amount of soil that I have is gonna be even much more than I need. So I'll put a first layer, and I will I'll remove some of the dried sheets, like the ones that they are just peeling away. And the dried roots, I'll be cutting them off with my pair of pruners. I don't want to remove anything that is not cut. Okay, you guys, my phone memory went full, so the video stopped. So what I did, I peeled away every single layer that like voluntarily came off, and also cut up the dried up like shriveled roots. And I'm going to place them nicely like this. So as you can see, I'm filling in with soil around the bulbs, and I want to make sure to leave a little bit of space, not filling in all the way to the rim or the edge of the bowl. I want to keep some space for my eventual top layer of choice, and I want to avoid especially because I don't want any water or soil getting inside the crown, inside the bulbs, to prevent rotting. As you can see, my soil is dry, and just it is because of like it's very convenient and it's less sticky. I'm just going to gently arrange around the bulbs. And now I'm thinking I want to use either like this type of Spagmoss, you see it's kind of a bit green, or orchid bark. I'm just thinking, let me fill in a little bit right at the back. What do you think? What should I do? But I think I will go with the Spagmoss, just because, like, to create a little bit of dimension. Now, before putting on the Spagmoss layer, what I will do, I'll go and bring some water and water around the bulbs, just to see how much the soil settles. I'm using, I filled in my like a water bottle, and I'm giving just a slightly bit water. Let's see how much it settles. Not much. Let me give it a little bit here. Oh, almost spilled inside the stem. So I think that should be it. And I'm quite surprised that the soil did not settle at all. But yeah, so the next step is just put some Spagmoss around the bulbs, just to fluff it up a little bit, just to make it a little bit like I don't know, how would I say it, like a forest floor. Look at that, it's already oh my god. What did I do? Okay, I didn't took this under consideration when turning the bowl. Okay, I did pre-moisten a little bit the sphagnum moss, just to prevent, like, it to be able, I did pre-moisten the sphagnum moss just for me to be able just to set it like around the bulbs easier. Oh my goodness, okay, I need to be gentle. And also, when the flower spikes, like the flower stems, will start to straighten themselves a little bit, I will try to give them some support, maybe a stake, or we'll see how it goes. I might use some, just in, like, for example, when I come back from my holiday and the flowers are not done, I'll try just to put some, or even, like, for example, if you plan to do the same thing, you just, for like better support with the bloom spikes, you can place some, for example, to make it more wintry, place some like Christmas tree, or like, you know, the foliage. It would be really nice, and it would add a lot more bulk over here. I think it would be quite nice. But yeah, so I'm done, and I'm very happy of how it looks. Okay, I don't think I need more water, just because, can you see the water over here? So I think it should be fine. I'm so excited. I'm slightly bummed that I didn't pot them up quite like a little bit earlier, just to prevent this wonky situation. But I'm like, life, mom life actually. So yeah, so I'm done. I hope you like it, and I know this video was a little bit all over the place, but yeah, I film stuff when I have time. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe, leave me a comment, any advice, or just say hi in the comments. I would really love to hear from you guys. So yep, that's it for today. Bye bye.